What's going on, G Squad? And we back with another one. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, getting back to work on the SS. Just did some floor prep. We finna go ahead and lay down this Dynamat. No, I got Fatmat. Yeah, we're gonna lay down this Fatmat, which is pretty similar to Dynamat. I got my assistant here with me. You know, for real. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So we're gonna see if we can make this thing happen, man. Got the little cutting tool, got the roller. Alright, man. So now let's get back to work. So like I said, man, Fatmat definitely sound Deadner, very much like Dynamat, you know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this thing laid down and clean my workspace out because I do not want to trip or fall on anything around my car. You did. So go ahead and move this out here, and then we can move this other vacuum out real quick. Yeah, so I'm excited, man. Dashboard coming along, the floor came along good on the paint wise. We're gonna get this Dynamat in. As we get the Dynamat in, I'll be able to, let me swap this way. Yeah, as we get the Dynamat in, then we'll be able to put the, what's that thing called, right? The cushion of the floor, whatever that joint is, the padding, yeah, of the floor. And then after that, we'll be able to put the carpet down. After this Fatmat go down, we'll definitely go ahead and start jumping on this wiring, getting the dashboard put back in, getting the wiring together for the cluster. Then what? Oh, put the column in for the steering wheel, put the carpet in. You already know, man. It's gonna be stupid. You did, ain't it right? Ain't it right? Yeah. Gonna be stupid. Huh? Why? She don't like to dance, man. We're finna get back to work, man. So stay tuned. Hey, man. I don't know why I let these people be talking me in and stuff. You did? Cause laying this Fatmat stuff down, this ain't no easy task, man. I thought it was just gonna be like, oh, just roll it on, you know, call it what it is. Bruh, it's not. All kind of cracks and crevices, shit be bending up, and then it's hard to fold it over stuff, and you gotta cut out certain areas. You know, man, bruh. But yeah, man, so we got so far, man. I got that over there kind of like cut out, and then I'm doing this or whatever. So the damn thing, what do you call it? What you call that thing, Anastasia, to go in the center? Oh, the center console, duh. Yeah, the center console go right here. But I'm still thinking about coming back in and patching up like some of that long area though. I just want to kind of get this. I had to split these pieces in half so we can make things happen. Then we're gonna, you know, continue doing what we're doing. So yeah, let's see what's up, man. Let's see what's up with it. You did. Old lady cutting another piece. Struggling.
Yeah, how did you
cut it all the way, go all the way into the back. Yeah, there you go.
I'm left-handed, using right-handed.
I know, but stay more towards the inside of the roll, cause you don't want to cut it short and then we ain't got enough. You know what I mean?
I rolled it out some more.
All right, go ahead. All right, man. So we're making strides. Man. We got a little bit right here. Then we'll do the middle. We're gonna do the top pieces up there. That's gonna be about it, man. I was gonna start doing all of that, but I'm really more concerned about the floor. So that's what we're gonna stick with. You did. And then these just all little shim pieces, all little cut pieces, just in case I need to use it. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, coming on, you did. And I'm done, man. We done, you did. The old lady helped out a lot, you did. So we got finished product, man. All my little cutouts, my little bolt holes and stuff. It's ready to go. Once that console go down in the center, all that's gonna be covered up in them seats. It's gonna be dope. So now I'm debating, man, whether or not to do the trunk as well. The trunk probably will be a little bit easier than that cab. So I don't know, man. Stay tuned to that. You did, but for now, we gonna leave it like this, and then move on with life. It's time to get that dash back in, get this car put back together. So appreciate y'all for tuning in on your buy, and we're gonna check y'all out later. You did.
That'll work a little bit more. That way it'll stay tight. Got a little bit more.
Man, getting it done before I fell through.
I mean, it's a little on the tighter side, but it's not too tight, you know?
Right.
I don't want to keep going down and down, then it's loose. See it clamping? Yeah. You see it clamping?
Yeah, that's it.
You know what? It is a nice upgrade. Because at first I was like, you know, if it was not causing an issue, I'd leave it.
Right.
But being that slim, it does actually look cleaner. Solid, man. Look.
Oh yeah. Did that.
And you see how it ain't rounded? You can see the flat spot, so it ain't gonna. I'll leave it like this.
Man, I appreciate that.
No, you good.
Got an upgrade. We're gonna upgrade this. Upgrade this side. We're ready now. Man, all I gotta do now is go back in with the dashboard.
Yeah,
We'll be right. Stay tuned.